Greed consumes me. I'm coming out now. F it. I'm coming out. Some greed consumes me. Do you know that? That's the fucking one point I wanted, you know. Greedy f. Right, a quick analysis on the US oil hourly chart. Let's see what has happened. The grey dollar signs indicate people who are no longer in the market, or stop orders that are no longer in the market which have been taken. And the green indicates stop orders that are still in the market. Just recently now, these two have been taken. These two massive prizes which we're expecting to stay in the market, they've just been taken. We knew they were after it. We knew they were after to get those stop losses, but we didn't know when they were coming. So they have been taken. Those soldiers have fallen. So all this week, you can see how many stop orders have been taken. Here, all of these, they were all green. They were all safe, but now they're all gone. This massive prize, which was at the beginning of the week, now it's Friday. These two places here, which I'm sure over the week as well, more and more stop orders were put there. More and more were put there. So last night, which was Thursday, we had this huge upsurge. This huge upsurge. And then gradually it went up to this area here and took their stop. Took everyone's stop. Look, took them all. Took everyone's stop. No mercy. No mercy at all. Now, we've got 4 areas only out of about 15, 20 areas. Only 4 areas which are safe at the moment. This one here, which is newly formed. This area down here, which is if you are buying. Here and here. These 3 there, if you are buying, if you are anticipating the market to go up. Those are the 3 places down there. And this one up here. That's the only places which are safe. There could also possibly be buyers here as well. Yeah, there's buyers here as well. So that's where we are at the moment. So we can expect the price to either maybe go back up and take these boys. It's possible, but there's not much stop orders there at the moment. Maybe this one here, maybe it will go down to this area, which is around 50 points. That sounds a bit more feasible to me, even though that is roughly in the middle at the moment. We'll have to wait until we get a signal. If we get a buy signal, we take a buy. If we get a sell signal, we take a sell. It'd be nice if we can sell and it sells all the way down to here, 173 points. That's fantastic. But we just have to wait and see. So on the chart as it stands at the moment, there are 26 places which stop orders could have been placed, and only 5 of them are live at this present time. Only 5. There may be another one forming here, right under there, but it just depends on what the price does. But at the moment, there's about 5 places where stop orders are live. So after 26, that's 20%. So 80% of people lose. From this, 80% of people have lost this week. This is the week's chart. Just received a buy signal, so we've taken it immediately. There's about 40 points in the market if it is going for that recent price area. Looking at the hourly chart, if the price is going up to this area here, then there's about 40 points in it for us. I think that's a bit premature myself. I do not know if it wants to reach that area as such, because these stop orders up here are just newly formed. So I'm not sure if it would like to do that almost immediately. More likely, it might just reverse on us and come for these boys here. But whichever way, we're in the game. We're going to set a reasonable stop loss, a mental one, and then we'll just take it from there. It's not looking good. It's touched our mental stop. And if it continues like this, I'm just going to jump out. reason I've got doubts is, can you see how messy? Just appearance, it just looks messy. Look at all of these moving day averages. They're just all messy. They're not uniform at all. It just looks messy. And like I said, it's already taken some stops today. I don't think it has the gumption to do anything right now. So I would take the signal, but I'm not banking on it. So it's touched the stop. If it just goes slightly below it, we're coming out. It's as simple as that. I even think it might be ranging today. It's done its thing. It's done its thing. Just a little bit more. If it goes past that point and it doesn't look like it's going to pull back from it, let's jump out. Yeah, look at that. That's not good at all, does it? Yeah, we're out of that. I don't think that's going to pull back. And it could be going for these stops, but there's nothing in it right now. There's nothing there. There's not much money there at all. So it was an attempt, but sometimes it just doesn't work. But the thing is, it's probably going to work. But we're not risking that much. We're not going to risk that much because it might come down from here. It might come down, take these stops, and then go back up and go into this area here. It can do that. But we're not risking that amount of money for it. We're not doing that. So we're just going to wait and see what happens. If we get another signal, we'll take that signal. It's not a problem. Only 8 points or 12 points. Actually, it was 12 points. No problem. If it is ranging today, this will be the kind of zone it will be ranging in. So if that's the case, then we'll have to wait until we get some signals out of this area or breaching this area. And then we can come in. And the signal straight away, look at that. It's taking a low. The daily low immediately is gone. These guys that were here, whoever was here, their stop orders have been taken. And it looks like it's gunning for a different low. We might have to take this, but 17% spent on the candle. It's not going to give us much time. It's not going to give us much time at all to do anything or anything. So let's just keep an eye on it and see what happens. Now look at that. 99% spent on the candle. It pushed the price right down, but didn't give any signals. It took all of these cats out. So you know what I'm going to do right now? I'm taking a buy. This is not what I actually do. But I'm going to take a buy right now. Because the reason why I'm going to take a buy is because I believe it's just taken out these people here. All of their stop losses have just been taken out. We have a buy signal here, right? Even though it's gone way below where we should have taken it. It has the propensity now. This is a long shot kind of, but I'm going to try it anyway. It's got the propensity now to go up and go up into this zone here. It has got the propensity to do that because it's taken away these people's stops. It's taking them out. So I don't know whether this is a good thing because I haven't really got a signal. We had a signal, but we got a signal here. But it's very, very far from where we are. So I still think it might be ranging. I don't know. I'm just taking a long shot here. It's not anything more than that. It's not anything more than a long shot. So if it breaches this area again, then I was wrong. Yeah, I think I was wrong. Let me come out of this. It's another 12 points. Another 12 points gone. Wow. You should always wait for your signals, guys. Always wait for the signals. Now, if we get this signal at 58% spent on the candle, it might be ranging. I don't know. Let's just wait and see. I'll just wait for the signal to come up. Right, we're going to take this. It might be ranging. Look, it's in the zone. Look, remember the zone we were talking about? It's still in there. We got a sell signal in the zone. So if it immediately goes up into this area here, then we come out again. Sometimes it works like that. Then we know we're ranging. If it comes up to this area here, we're ranging. If it goes down, then possibly it's going down. But me personally, it doesn't look that good today. It just doesn't. This area is too messy for me. The moving day averages just shouldn't look like that. Our stop is around this area here. Well, actually, it's not even there. If it goes anywhere past this area here, then we're jumping out. Because it shouldn't do that unless it's ranging. If it's ranging, then it's going to come up to here and then go up and then come back down and then maybe get narrower or wider and then do its thing. But after that, it's caned everyone's account. So we'll have to see. It shouldn't do what it's doing. I have a strong inclination that it's ranging. And ranging markets, you can benefit from them because right now we would have just put in a buy. But we have to indicate, we have to know that it's a ranging market. I cannot tell. But from the way we've got signals on both sides, is a good indication that it's ranging. If it doesn't reject that area and come right back down, we have to jump out. But in saying that, if it's ranging and we just leave the money in it and put our stop loss in the hard area here and just wait for it to come back down, that's another way of doing it, but it's risky. But it has to reject this area here. It's got to. This area's got to be rejected. These moving day averages, they've got to be rejected for us to believe that it's going down today. Because there's another thing that people do. They're watching it. They're seeing the price go up, down, up, down, up, down, right? And people have put in a buy just now because they believe it's going to do what it done here and here. They believe it's going to do it again. So they've put in their money here, anticipating for a buy, and then the market's going to switch on them and take their money. It does happen. Let's see what's going to happen. There's some money just below here. Look, just in this area here where we've put our take profit. There's some money right here sitting in this area, which we're looking for it to go to. But because it's taken all the money in the first place, because all that money's been taken already today, it's gone. A whole lot, a big massive prize of money, a big massive pot of money was taken because of the stop losses which were in that area, accumulated for the whole week. They were in that area and they all got taken this morning. It has really nothing more to do today. It doesn't have to do anything. And that's the problem we've got at the moment. It doesn't have to do anything. So we've got to bear that in mind. It's not every day it's going to just rally or trend or dump. It's not every day. Right next to my mental stop. Fantastic. After some deliberation, is giving us a bit of movement favorably for us. So let's see if it can get our take profit zone and maybe we can get back the points that we lost and a bit more on top of that. But you have to understand, I am only going to take what the market gives me. If it doesn't give us the pointage, then I'm not going to go for it. It's just if it gives it to us. I am not going to push for it. Just a quick look at the hourly chart. You see in this area here, there are points of interest, but they're not as big as this one here. This is the one we're hoping they're going for. At first, we believed it was going for this one, but this one was newly formed. That's why I was a bit dubious about it. But we went for it anyway because we got a signal. Now we are hoping that it will be going for this one. And if, you know what, better still, this one down here. If they're going for that one, but I don't know if we're going to stay in there for that long. I really don't. But we can always re-enter the market if we get another signal. I know there will be one time, just one time it's going to not reject our TP zone. Every time I draw a box, it's almost like it knows the box is there and it rejects that area. Look. Every time, look, right on the line. It's just ridiculous. Every time it does that, is it going to Just one time I would like it to just go into that zone. Excellent. We're in the zone. Anytime now we can take it out. I'm just waiting for a little bit. We might as well. Just a little bit. If I can get that little bit, then we'll be in a positive day. Just a little bit. That's nice. Just a little bit more than that. Come on. Just a tiny bit more. 75% spent on the candle. I hate that when that happens. Greed consumes me. And then I lose out. I'm coming out now. It. I'm coming out. Some greed consumes me. Do you know that was the fucking one point I wanted, you know? Greedy. All I had to do is take the 20. It was fucking sweet. That's a bit frustrating, but we should have come out on the 26. I think it was about 26 points we had in the bag. We could have done way better than that because it was right there in our hands, but we got greedy. We got greedy. Should have just taken it and we'd be fine. But anyways, still a win. You live and learn. This is the things. We're getting another signal here, look. There's another signal forming there. You live and learn. This is not an easy game. This is an art as well as a science. So you will get it wrong sometimes. If this forms, I might even take that trade. If that forms, I might take it. Right, we're taking it again. We've gone in because we've got a little tiny signal here. Whether this was a good move or not, we'll find out. This signal here, we've taken it. Should have taken it a bit earlier. Let's see if we can get deeper into that zone. We know exactly where it's looking to get to. We know it wants to get around this area here. So maybe it will go for it now. If it doesn't, we're jumping out straight away. Our mental stop is around this area here, just above the candle. Let's see if it comes in deep. I really should have jumped out earlier, but we're getting another chance. Maybe it's possible. We're in the positive area already. Just trying to get a few points out of it, which is just silly. I don't understand what this mentality is that we must get more. I don't get it. It's just, I suppose it's in the blood. It's entrepreneurial spirit. You just want more. And you've got to understand greed and entrepreneurship is not the same thing. They're cousins, but they're not the same. So here we go. Just a little bit more. Just a little bit more. Will it give it to us? The little bit more we've been craving. Right there. That's good for me. I'm good with that. I'm good with that. I was not going to go back in, but that's cool. I'm all right with that. Look, it's even giving more now. Look, as soon as we come out, it's going to start gushing. Look at that. I'm happy with what we've done. I'm happy. Suppose we didn't have to come out, but we secured the bank and then we went back in and nicked a little bit more. It's good. It's good, but I'm a bit upset about myself because I should have come out earlier, because now we had to pay another spread to get back in. But all in all, everything's fine. I like that. It was all right. It was a bit haphazard and a bit silly, but we did it anyway and it worked out. Looking at the hourly now, you can see it has done what it wanted to do. It's taken these soldiers out with this candle that we just came out on. It's taken them out. So it's done its bit and we benefited quite reasonably from it because I didn't think we were going to take it all the way down there. So that's it. There's still money in the market. There's plenty. There's plenty here. It might go down all the way. Do not know, because this was a large flurry. This one here. This candle was just simply a liquidity grab. It grabbed these guys, and all these guys on this side as well. Just a liquidity grab, nothing else. Same with this whole flurry up here. So it can easily come back down. We just have to watch it, and if we feel like it, we'll go in. We're up. Today's a positive day, so we don't need to go back in the market, but we can if we see a decent opportunity. If you have any questions or you want me to do a particular video, or if there's something you need to be taught, let me know. I'm here to help, so drop me a comment, drop me a like, subscribe to the channel, subscribe. Let's do this together. Let's break this. Let's make this work for each other. Until next time.